So today we're going to show the basics of making a laminated wood pen on our Harbor Freight Lathe. I won't show the whole turning, but I'll give the basics. Yeah, I haven't done one of these, like in a long time. Let's give it a shot here. Someone had asked how I drill my blank on the lathe, so I'm showing that part of it. What I'm using is the laminated wood, kind of like what they make gun stocks out of. I'm using the Barracuda chuck that I purchased from Penn State. That's worked out real good for me. I bought the whole kit. Drilling the blanks is a process, and you just got to make sure that you get them centered right. So I guess what I'm saying is, don't let anybody convince you that the Harbor Freight lathe is inferior, because it's not. I've made hundreds of products on my Harbor Freight lathe, and it's still going strong. The money I saved by buying the Harbor Freight lathe allows me to buy more kits. We recently hit 500 subscribers on our page, and I'm hoping for a lot more. I want to thank everyone for subscribing, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. Thanks for watching.